I used to cook professionally in the US Coast Guard for a few years. Now I want to teach you some quick kitchen tips like how to cut garlic. I'll start by explaining the garlic anatomy. The bottom of a head of garlic is the root end, and the top is the stalk or scape. First step is to place stalking down and give it a smash. Use a heavy pot or pan if you need help. Then you're going to cut off the little rough end on the clove because we don't really want to eat that. You can save this piece and the skin as well, make a stock, or if you compost, go for that. When you slice the clove, make sure to tuck your fingers in, cutting against your knuckle. You want to save those fingertips. And go super slow. You're not in a race here, and it's important to keep these slices as uniform as possible so they cook really evenly. As you get close to the end of this, place it down on the flat side to save yourself some struggle so it doesn't wobble on you. The next technique is a rough chop. So from having a whole garlic clove to slicing to chopping to mincing. Basically, the garlic gets stronger the more you mash or cut it up because these oils release. I like to kind of think of it like a big Italian guy that sweats the more they work out, and the more they work out, the more they smell, or in this case, the more they produce flavor, I guess. Kind of a weird analogy, but it kind of makes sense. The rough chop is pretty much my go-to because, think about it, it's quick, it's easy, and it really gets the job done. Now onto the sweatiest Italian guy, or the head honcho, the mince. Perfect for a nice flavorful saute, or robust marinade, or a sauce. Or if you want to smell like garlic for the next week. It helps if you make nice uniform julienne style slices on this garlic, then kind of bunch them all together neatly and slice them for more. It really gets the garlic in a better spot to start going to town on it and mince it up. Try to remember also, try not to use your knife's blade to move the garlic around. I know you're going to be trying to do that, it's just instinct almost. Instead, get in the habit of flipping it and using the top so it doesn't eventually dull your knife. One of my cooking instructors used to call me out on this honestly all the time, so eventually I got the hang of it. Now, I don't think I do it much at all, or at least not that I realize. And it really is important to take care of your chef knife because it's your most important tool in the kitchen, and you should really have a special bond with it. Kind of sounds silly, but it's true. Don't let anyone else use it to open cans, and I've had that happen. Or let it sit too long wet in the sink, or it might rust, depending on what it's made of. If you enjoyed this quick kitchen tip, give the video a like and let me know in the comments what else you'd like to see.